So our last four lessons are left. Uh, the last unit also, and two very important grammar. One important grammar part is there in the ninth lesson, and one more grammar part is there. So first we'll do that, and then we'll come back to the book. Les prepositions de temps. We have already done the prepositions, right? So this is the
Yes, ma'am.
preposition of time. Now there are many. Some we have already done, and some we have not. First one is depuis. Depuis means since.
Since.
Quand le temps et la date. When the time and date is there, we use depuis over there. Or quand la durée de temps. Or when the duration of time has to be explained, then we use depuis. So in these two cases, we use depuis. Now, elle enseigne le français depuis 2014. She is teaching French since 2020, 2014. Another one. Je vous téléphone depuis des heures. I have been calling you since hours.
Hours.
So this is since.
Yes.
Pendant. Pendant means for and during both. Now for j'ai regardé la télé pendant 3 heures. I have watched the television for 3 hours.
There.
During pendant les vacances, during the vacations, we do this, we do that. So pendant has two meanings, for and during. And depuis is since.
Since.
Pour we have done many times. Pour is for.
Yes.
Je vais en
For.
France pour un mois. I will be in France for a month. Dans,
No.
in. Il va parler dans une heure. He'll speak in an hour. En also means in. Je fais mes devoirs en une heure. I do my homework in 1 hour. En été, je vais chez ma grand-mère. In summer, I will be at my grandmother's place.
No.
Ilya. Okay. Ilya, this is one word, okay? See, Ilya means there is or there are. But when used as a preposition, it becomes for or ago. See, if very general thing to remember, if Ilya comes in the first half of the sentence, like in the starting it is coming, then it means for.
For.
But if it's coming in the middle, then it means ago. Or at the last means ago. See, Elias sang quand que j'habite ici. So, for 5 years I have lived over here. I have been living. Je suis arrivé il y a 2 heures. I arrived here 2 hours ago. Used in
2 hours
between.
ago.
Between or at the end, it means ago. And if
Okay.
at the starting it is
No.
used, then it means for.
For.
Ça fait que. It has been. Ça fait 5 ans que je suis en France. It has been 5 years I have been in France.
Nice.
A for cities and for time also. Nous mangeons à 8 heures. We eat at 8 o'clock. Then there's an exercise. It's a long exercise. You can do it and send it for correction. Now the most important part and part 5, which will be there in chapter 9. This is another set of verbs actually. Okay, we have done the present tense, right? Where we did the
Yes.
verbs. I told you the subject pronoun. There are three different groups: er, ir, and re, and those
Yes, ma'am.
endings were there. Second, we did the future tense, which ale was
Yes.
used. Third, we did the
Well,
passive composite, where être
yes.
and avoir were used, and then the past participle of the verb was used. This is
Yes.
imperfect. Imperfect you can call it as imperfect tense or something in English. Imperfect and passé composé. They both are past tense verb. Imperfect is also a past tense verb. See, like you can say past tense you can use for like yesterday, a week ago, or an year ago. Imperfect,
Yes.
long time back. Long time back. When I was small, I used to do this. That is imperfect. Yesterday, I did this. That is passé composé. A long past is called imperfect. To remember this. See, it's written in English also. Shows past tense repeated action. Like when I was small, I used to do this. Repeated continuous action and habitual actions. They show imperfect. And incomplete situations in the past. Incomplete situation. Like um, at 10 years old, I made a I made a plane. Incomplete action, incomplete situation. So here there we will use am parfait. This much you have understood. Then I'll go on the
Yes.
conjugation.
Yes. Yes.
This verb
Okay.
conjugation is different. As I told for passé composé, same. See, this sequence never changes. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. This
You
sequence
speak.
will not change. And here, that verbs will also come. Those verbs that we did at first, those all three groups of verbs. Everything depends on the new form over here. Everything depends on the new form over here. For example, I write nous dansons. This is the thing that we write
Yes, ma'am.
ONS, right? Now, what you
Yes.
have to do over here, whatever verb is there for imperfect,
Ah.
okay, take out the new form of that. Always. After
Yes,
taking out
ma'am.
the new form, cut this ONS. Whatever is left will come in between this. Like your verb danser will be if I say that write the verb danser in imperfect. So you will write
A
je
dance.
dansais,
Okay.
you
Last will be
dansais,
not size. Illal dance eight.
no, dansais.
Don't say
Correct the
it.
pronunciation.
Okay.
Nous dansions,
Who don't you? Who's
vous
don't yes?
dansiez,
Don't yes. Ills else. Don't say it.
dansez.
Don't say it.
This will be written like this.
Okay.
Okay, let's check the verbs. Parler. Nous parlons is there, so we cut the ONS from there. Je parlais, tu parlais, elle parlait, nous parlions, vous parliez, elle parlait. The meaning will be same as passé composé. I spoke, you spoke, he, she spoke. But the uh, the place of putting imperfect and passive composer will be different. When it is near past, when it is passive composer, when it is more back, coming to more centuries and years ago, that is imperfect. Manger. Je mangeais, tu mangeais, il, elle mangeait. Nous mangions, vous mangiez, il, elle mangeait. One IR verb also. Finir. Je finissais, tu finissais, il, elle finissait. Nous finissons, vous finissez, il, elle finissait. Grossir. Je grossissais, tu grossissais, il, elle grossissait. Nous grossissions, vous grossissiez, il, elle grossissait. RE, descendre, je descendais, tu descendais, il, elle descendait. Nous descendions, vous descendiez, il, elle descendait. Vendre, je vendais, tu vendais, il, elle vendait. Nous vendions, vous vendiez, il, elle vendait. This was all regular verb. Now irregular. Être, j'étais, tu étais, il, elle était. Nous étions, vous étiez, il, elle était. See, for irregular verb, we don't have to take out the new form because it is irregular. Avoir, j'avais, tu avais, il, elle avait. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. J'avais, tu avais, il, elle avait. Nous avions, vous aviez, il, elle avait. Placer. Je plaçais, tu plaçais, il, elle plaçait. Nous placions, vous placiez, il, elle plaçait. Étudier. J'étudiais, tu étudiais, il, elle étudiait. Nous étudions, vous étudiez, il, elle étudiait. Then there's an exercise for imperfect. Now what you can do for practice. You have the list of verbs with you, earlier ones, the
Yes.
first
Yes.
verbs that we have done. Try to
Yes.
write all the verbs into imperfect. Your imperfect will be prepared. And send it to me for correction. That will be
Okay,
prepared. This
madam.
is the way. See, once your verb is here, whatever grammar we do, like we did passe composé, write down all the verbs for passe composé. It will be automatically prepared. Write all the verbs for future proche. Future proche is done. Write all the verbs for imperfect. Imperfect is done. So this is the way we practice. You have to give a little time
Okay.
to it. Now, difference between la différence entre le passé composé et l'imparfait. The difference between passé composé and imparfait. Now, passé composé talks about what? Chaque semaine, chaque mois, chaque année. Each week, each year, each month. It talks about that. But imparfait randomly talks about any month, any week, any month, any year, long time back ago. Okay. Le weekend, specific weekend, it will talk about. It will talk about
Weekend.
any weekend. It will talk about specific Monday, specific Tuesday. It will talk about any Monday, any Tuesday. And passive composer will talk about all the days. It will talk about one specific day. Then it will talk about one specific morning, evening, but this will talk about random. So these are the differences, but where exception comes, these differences don't matter. Again, there's an exercise over here of passe composé ou imparfait. Do this for practice. Okay. I'm not doing any grammar part. We will just do the book.
Yes, with the some company must perform.
Souvenir-vous. You remember?
Yes,
Souvenir-vous means you remember.
the
Okay, generally when we are talking about the memories, there we are using passé imparfait. Because when you talk about memories, so memories long time back. So that is what is imperfect. Now, l'album de souvenir, album of memories. Mon plus vieux souvenir d'enfant. My oldest memory as a child.
as a child.
Oldest memory. Ajay, please read as a child. The first paragraph.
Mon, Mon plus VX, souvenir de enfant. J-Wise, Saint-Gans, Chesma, Grandmere, dans le placard de la cuisine. Il vai evietas phrases tagada. Cun gelas, ches ile. J. Ramplias, nas poshas, deses bonbons.
Okay, so now see there they are using imperfect. J'avais 5 ans. I was 5 years old. Talking about a long time back. Chez ma grand-mère dans le placard de la cuisine. At my grandmother in the placard de la cuisine means the cabinets that are there in the kitchen. That is a placard. Almirah of kitchen you can say. Il y avait des fraises tagada. There was fraise tagada. Fraise is strawberry. There was strawberry. Tagada is a brand. Quand j'allais chez elle, when I used to go to when I used to go at her place, je remplissais mes poches de ces bonbons. I used to fill my pockets with those toffees.
Okay.
Vijay, please read Mon souvenir à l'école, full part, Gaston Lagaffe.
Mon, mon milieu souvenir de école. Et l'école de Etias Mogas and Maths, J. Avia Suvant, Zero Zerving, Anjurli École et participer and Concours National, J.I. Gagan, Le Prix du Milieu, L. N. Max du la Région, J. Etias Le Plus Hirux des
It is
Infants,
jeté. This is called as jeté.
Jetes,
Jeté.
Jetes, Jetes Les Plus Hirux des Infants, J. Amias, Bin Ausilas Derniers Jones de Acol, et la fin du mois de juin, on jouait dans la cour, on lisait des, on lisait des BD Asterix et de Gaston Lagaffe. Lagaffe. Yedde
Okay.
Gaston Lagaffe.
Both of you have to pay attention towards your pronunciation. Okay, work upon that also. À l'école, j'étais mauvaise en maths. So at school, I was very bad in maths. J'avais souvent 0 sur 20. I often used to get 0 out of 20. Un jour,
20.
l'école a participé à un concours national. See here, they are using passé composé. So one day, the school participated in a national competition. J'ai gagné le prix du meilleur élève en maths de la région. I won the prize of the best student in maths of the region.
Rigid.
J'étais le plus heureux des enfants. I was the happiest
More.
child among the students. J'aimais bien aussi les derniers jours de l'école à la fin du mois de juin. So I very much like the last days of the school in the month of June. On jouait dans la cour, On lisait des BD d'Astérix et de Gaston Lagaffe. Okay, Asterix and Gaston Lagaffe are the famous cartoons. So BD means comics. BD is comics. So we used to play in the class. We used to read the comics of Asterix and Gaston Lagaffe. The Gaston Lagaffe, sorry, from Gaston Lagaffe. Like the comics from Gaston Lagaffe. Okay, Ajay, read mon meilleur prof and mon meilleur souvenir avec les copains.
Jodrois, mes profs d'allemand, avec il vi entré dans la classe. On chantait, on dessinait, on jouait des pieces de théâtre. Juan Javas, these ants, news habitants immovable, they la said, the lauson a bodiacs, Javas clean the copians. One five said, two willow, get to sketch.
Okay, mon meilleur prof means my best teacher. J'adorais ma prof
Understood.
d'allemand. I adored my German teacher. Avec elle, la vie entrait dans la classe. With her, the life entered in the class. On chantait, we sang. On dessinait, we drew. On jouait des pièces de théâtre. We used to play the theater pieces. Theater pieces mean we have to act a lot. Mon meilleur souvenir avec les copains. My best memory with the um, friends. Quand j'avais 10
Um,
ans, when I was 10 years old, nous habitions un immeuble de la cité de la Zone à Bordeaux. So we used to live in a building of the city of La Zone in Bordeaux. J'avais plein de copains. I had a lot of friends. On faisait du vélo et du skate. We used to do cycling and skating. Vijay, my premier leave.
no Premier League. Tous les sois, j'ai les squills, pages du petit Nicolas de Sempi, it Goscinny,
Goscinny. Hmm.
si partner
Right. Correct.
of Goscinny, si était très amusant, ça
Second,
racontait les avis d'un enfant du this ancien l'école, et là les maison, les petits Nicolas, c'était moi.
Ok.
second,
Tous les soirs, je lisais quelques pages du Petit Nicolas de Sampé et Goscinny. So Sampé and Goscinny were the famous writers, and this Petit Nicolas um, is a very famous story, very famous French story. It is available in all the libraries. So, c'était très amusant. It was very funny. Ça racontait les aventures de enfants de 10 ans à l'école et à la maison. So, it told about the adventures of a child of 10 years at school and at the house. Le Petit Nicolas, c'était moi. So, he heard that the Petit Nicolas, it's me only. Okay, ma première voiture, Ajay.
Jehu ma premier voucher, ethics def ans, Jesuis, counter la university, Saturday, Winvale, Renault 5 Gen, Evacuate Joy, Uravant, Uranch, Yella White, 1 lakh kilometer, less pills, Adorient.
Hmm.
Premier
Ma première voiture, my first car. J'ai eu ma première voiture à 19 ans, so I had my first car at 19 years old. Quand je suis entré à l'université, when I entered the university, c'était une vieille Renault 5 jaune avec un toit ouverton. Elle avait 100 km. Les filles adorent. Okay, so it was an old Renault 5 yellow color with the toit where toit is what? Roof. With the open roof. And it had already 100,000 kilometers and les filles adored, the girls liked. Vijay, mon premier grand voyage.
Mon premier grand voyage. Event ends Jesus party a Puro avec une copine on Hawaii pass Binku Darjan Mais Dance League Diu
Future.
Vito. What written ma'am? Diu Rotar
Rutar. Hmm.
Rutar on Ruet Jusos un bon plan più Voyager manager o dormir pasture.
Okay, mon premier grand voyage, my first big trip. À 20 ans, at 20 years old, je suis partie au Pérou avec une copine. So I went to Peru with a friend. On n'avait pas beaucoup
Okay.
d'argent, mais dans le guide du routard, we didn't have a lot of money, but in the guide du routard, on trouvait toujours un bon plan. Le guide du routard means it's a guide, travel guide.
Forgive Traversing.
We found always the best plan for traveling, eating, and sleeping. Not very expensive, cheap things. Ok. La Sancho de ma jeunesse. Euh, Tout en été, on a dansé sur Eve. Lève-toi.
Okay.
So,
Left one.
Lève-toi was a song for which they used to dance a lot. The Julie Pietri. C'était l'époque
Yes,
du
yes.
disco. So, there every time there is a song where, it becomes a disco of all the evenings. So, Eve lève-toi et danse avec la vie. Tout un programme. So, this was the song which now this thing, les moments de la vie. L'enfance et l'adolescence. Un enfant, un bébé, un enfant de 8 ans, la naissance, birth. Claudia est née. We have done all this. Then, l'âge adulte, un homme, une femme. Une femme is also called une dame, another word. Un jeune homme, une jeune fille, une personne âgée, old people. La mort, death. Les souvenirs. Ce souvenir, les souvenirs is a pronominal verb. You remember? Ce souvenir. Ce, you remember
Yes.
pronominal verb. The verbs with
Yes.
se.
So,
Se lever,
Near
se laver,
sir.
those.
Yes.
Now, I'm not reading this because we have already done it. Only marking the exercise that you have to do. This exercise. Rest you read. I'm not going to read each and everything. Now I'm not going to read each and everything because now it's a ninth chapter now. This we have done. Now this thing you have to read. Mon oncle de Bretagne is the first part. La Mystère de Dantec is the first part. But I think you should read it once. I'll not
Yes.
do it today. Okay, because I have
Okay.
done enough. I wanted to do Amparfait only. I'm not doing this, otherwise you'll get confused.
yes,
That
ma'am.
is why. Okay. So I'll see you
Okay.
when today is Saturday, no? So I'll see you on Tuesday now. Okay.
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 And please practice Amparfait. That is why I'm leaving early. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Au revoir.
Moreover,
Or where,
ma'am.
ma'am?